Alright, what's up YouTube? What's up guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I've bought a lemon and now I'm gonna have to turn it into a lemonade as you can see by the title. So I've picked up this lemon and now I gotta drive for a few miles, more than a few miles, like about 50 miles to take it to the shop and test the engine oil to see what's wrong with it. So yeah, I'm just journeying on to the shop. And guys, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like the video, share the video with a friend and tell a friend to tell a friend to, you know, subscribe. And let's get this channel going and this build and many more builds to come. Alright, stay tuned and let's see what's up with this model and this car. And also stay tuned for us to make it lemonade instead of lemon. Alrighty, let's go. Now I'm here at a shop and I'm just trying to turn this trailer and get the car off the trailer and put it in the bay. I'm at high mileage shop. You can go over also to high mileage and subscribe to his channel. So I'm at his shop and here he's gonna help me to diagnose this car and help fix it and get it to be lemonade. Get the CDL. Our friend Rich here from High Mileage thinks that car has a Radnac, but I doubt it's a Radnac. I've heard Radnac sound before and it doesn't sound like a Radnac to me. So yeah, machine I make. No, nice. The turbo would have fucked up. If the turbo band this can cause that on the thing the turbo fucked up. The shaft. You see that smoke, that's not a blown engine smoke to me. That seems like something else, but a broken motor would give you a dark smoke. A Radnac wouldn't give you such a loud noise, based on my experience. Not necessarily. I don't know why. Alright, so we have a pull up truck here, so. Alright, I want to take down the turbo. I want to check the turbo. I want to take off the time and cover. I want to check the time. You see? And then I'll check on the oil pot. I'll check the oil pot to see if the bearing material. Okay. Yeah. So jack it up on the drain out the oil. Drain the oil. Take out the fan them at the front that's up. Drain the radiator, take out the radiator. Sometimes woman them weird, them shit there. You know. It's a lot of clip, but you put on clip on the penny if you move the clip. I squeeze, it's supposed to squeeze it in now. Or you can jar it up. Just like the BMW, you know, the BMW and work and shit. Because I prefer the color first night out the help on the first night out the jar. Or the cigarette or the weed. What a fucking happen. I can't even tell what's in this. Like, you know, where you take on now, though. So you take on. Man, a easy max, man, I just from the back. Go higher. Silent drone. Yeah, cause you will see more, Vancouver with more. So, you have to come out. Oh, the agent? Yeah. You want to go? Yeah, bro. They know they my island will fix. Oh, we can fix it with it. Yeah. Fix it all the time, bro. Yeah. Vancouver with normal service repair. Yeah. Cabin cover leak, normal service repair. The car, let's go with it. Okay. Now the head gasket when we pick out the engine. Can't be job to do that in the car sale. Yeah. That's how I'm gonna find the road. We don't have to pick on the road now. But because how expensive this one is, we don't have to budget stuff. Look around, pick on the road. Spark plug will come on, we could pass compression test and move to the next phase. Yes, right now we get out all of the spark plug right now. So I go to the compression test. I plug of XS5. Yeah, supposed to now study compression test tool. Which I got diagnose it. Alright, hit 120. Yeah. Now go drop. Cylinder 1 pass so far, going on to cylinder 2. Alright, this is 122. I just want to sit on here 120. So, second cylinder hit 120. So move on to third and fourth cylinder. Yeah. Alright. So not even make it to 30. No make it, you know, make it to 130. Not even 30. Boom, boom. Clark. Good. It's a struggle to reach now. Sorry, or we can pull it back, replace this arena. Just if you think I want to damage the hard and stuff, you just buy or pull it down. First, you still have need a time and chain kit in any case, right? Now we tear it down, send the heads out, let the heads and get decked and checked, right? Then you can send it. Then we can see the black bro if you see piston rings if you have leak through that's up, you see me? Or replace piston rings or maybe bro, that's what can be carbon buildup or valve stuck. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So maybe you just need all the head to go. So maybe the black wood, we couldn't say the black body. Unless really that cylinder spun a bearing. You get what I'm saying? Because if it's spun a bearing, huh? Yeah, if it's spun a bearing, then yeah. See oil. Let me see it, man. You feel like I oil like I don't know. I can see it, so more content. More content that me. Bro, man, I really feel the stars are right there. Not now. It's alright now. Yeah, money, money. The kind of buy engine put in there are um, rebellious. Not that too. Look for one for marketplace is probably or whatever must have KCM price. Then you're gonna find one a part out and it's an engine good, you know? You're gonna put the engine light and sell it. Oh, you know, so I get the engine cheap if you ever sell it, you know. Yeah, let's get the engine cheap and put the engine in them, it a run, it a drive. Where you just tune it up, spark plug. So yeah guys, that's it for tonight. We're gonna continue on this car in the morning and take the engine out and see the problem with this motor why it's making this noise and see how it can be resolved. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and if you are watching my channel, peace out.